everybody, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the EVGA GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. I just picked this up, just came in the mail today, so pretty exciting day. It's almost like Christmas. I was heavily debating between this and the new 2080 Super that come out, but after seeing the results of performance tests from the 2080 Super and seeing that they're only maybe a 6 to 7% increase from what the 2080s were, I decided to go this route because this can push pretty much ultra at 60 frames per second in 4K with ray tracing on, which is what I want because I plan on gaming a lot on 4K TV. And yeah, also using it for video editing, so all the CUDA cores, 40. See, here's what I didn't get. I had a 1080 Ti before, which had more CUDA cores than the new 2080 and the new 2080 Super. So for me to upgrade from a 1080 Ti to a 2080 Super, I'm actually losing CUDA cores. Now, you guys may be wondering why that matters. Well, CUDA cores are what they use in Premiere and Photoshop and Pinnacle and Sony Vegas, I believe, and like most all your DaVinci Resolve, your video editing programs use that to help render videos and stuff like that. So to be going from a 1080 Ti with more CUDA cores to upgrading to a 2080 or 2080 Super, basically I don't know if I'd be losing performance, maybe not, but to me it's a step backwards. I don't know what NVIDIA is thinking. Yeah, they added the other ray tracing cores and DL, deep learning super sampling cores, tensor cores, but to me it just didn't make sense, so that's why I went with this card. Had more CUDA cores, 4,300 and something or other, but let's get this unboxed. So pretty cool box, fairly big box too. It's got this neat little cutout here. I'll get some close-up shots, so hopefully you guys can see instead of just watching one angle the whole time. I'll try and put this back in and do that later. It's kind of a behind-the-scenes thing, get packaging shots and stuff like that. But trying to get this out of the box here. That's how we like it. Alright, here we are. This has the same cutout too. Opens on this side, so let's see what we got. You guys are getting the first look at it before I do, this ain't fair. Or not. Alright, GeForce RTX installation guide. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to install these buggers, just pretty much plug and play. Pop this off, here we go. I don't believe there's anything else in there, doesn't look like it. So that's pretty much all you get is the graphics card. I'll have to look in there, there should be some other cables or something I would think in there. But let's get this out of the package. Here's the static electricity thing I was telling you about with the warning. Bugger's it's a little heavy, got a little weight to her. Oh. Boy, is that nice. Man, is that nice. Kind of a clear, got really a clear, almost just like a light smoked plastic to it here. It's not exactly clear, but it's just got just a tad of tint to it. Oh boy. I was just thinking in my head when I'm looking at this, if that wasn't quite so bumpy, I would almost try and put tint on that. I don't think there's any vents in there. There's one there. Just to give it kind of a darker look to it. But here, hopefully you guys can see. Let me turn my screen around. Yeah, that's a nice looking card. GeForce 2080 Ti. There's where you plug it into your motherboard. Here are your back inputs. Got your HDMI, your DVI ports, and a USB-C port. So, yeah. Looks pretty darn nice. Look at all this cooling. And then here's your power pins over here. It's two 8-pin connectors for it. Yeah, nice looking graphics card. I don't know what this is on here for, this plastic piece. Remove protective film before use. Yeah, figured that. Anyways, can't wait to get this installed. Actually, I'm going to install it right now and go play Battlefield with ray tracing on. Go give her a test run on the 65-inch 4K TV and see how well it works. So yeah, it's the new EVGA 2080 Ti Black Edition. You guys probably want to see the back plate, which will cover my numbers here. But there you go. Pretty solid. Looks like it's reinforced nice. I don't know if any of this lights up here. Kind of wish it did. For the money, it should. For the money, this sucker should do a whole bunch of things. I had 680 before, then I went to 1080 Ti, which, like I say, it did good at 4K, but now when you want to do 4K and enable ray tracing, 1080 Ti is going to drop a lot of frame rate, especially in the future when more games start using it and stuff. So, figured right now would be a good time to upgrade. I got really good money for my 1080 Ti. It was brand new. I had only used it maybe 5 times, so it was basically the EVGA Superclock Black Edition is what that one was. So it was a pretty spendy graphics card. But I kind of hated getting rid of it because it was brand new and it's such a good card. But I wanted to upgrade, just try out the newest, latest, and greatest technology. So, anyways. Getting a little long-winded, but thanks for watching the video, guys. Thanks. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the future. Give you an update on this bugger and how well it performs. So, thanks for watching.